As a pioneer manufacturer of solder-resist ink, we at TAIYO Ink Manufacturing have newly developed a solder-resist for MID, molded interconnect device, and have already begun sales. Unlike conventional rigid and flexible circuit board, MID has a technology for forming circuit on plastic molded products such as PPS, LCP, nylon, and so on. By applying solder resist, which is an insulating ink, component can be mounted on plastic molded products. We have wide variety of solder resist suitable for various materials. Designing, 3D substrate formation, 3D wiring formation, coating solder resist, component mounting, inspection. We believe that we can help our customers develop new applications by this technology.